name is Estila. I am 9 years old. My surname is Akisan. Today, I will tell the story of Moana. In the beginning, there was only ocean until the main island of Te Fiti appeared. Her heart created life and Te Fiti shared life with the world. But over time, some began to search for Te Fiti's heart. One day, a shape-shifting demon got a magic fishing hook. His name was Maya. But without a heart, Te Fiti turned into tiny fly lava monsters. Lightning struck Maya and no one saw him. Again, Moana needed was village of Montana, her father said. But Moana always heard a different whispers. Moana's grandmother was passing away. Her last words were, "Go, Moana, show Maya your right. Wherever you go, I'll always be by your side." So Moana went, but she found a real storm in front of her, but the ocean really helped her. Suddenly Maya appeared in front of Moana, but Maya didn't know how determined Moana was that they exiled with the cameras. They fought and won. Then they tricked the orangutan and took Maya's fishing hook. After a long journey, they reached the rock that covered the sea in darkness. But Maya said, "We won't be able to go back, Moana." Moana didn't care, but Maya said, but Maya's fishing hook was crooked. Moana did her own thing and listened to her inner voice inside her side. She couldn't do it. Her grandmother said to say, "Wherever you go, I'll always be by your side." That was true. Her grandmother suddenly appeared and gave Moana courage and disband. Then Maya suddenly appeared and said to Moana, "Take a sword, I'll stall her." Moana carefully took a sword and calmly placed the heart. Matini was safe now. Thank you.